There are many snow tube products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best snow tubes from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Snow Tube with Towable Leash. Rating 4.8. Airsfish Snow Tubes for sledding heavy duty is made of double-layer thickened 0.6 mm cold-resistant PVC material, which can withstand a low temperature of -25°C. With an advanced seamless bonding technique, it is well leak-proof and tear-resistant. Ultra-thick material makes it anti-scratch, waterproof on the snow. Handles large enough for gloved use. Strong sewn-in handles for you to safely hold onto as you fly down the snowy slopes. The streamlined groove bottom design makes the sleds float faster and smoother. Deeper seat position provides you with great cushy ride down the hill with minimum risk. Airsfish Inflatable Snow Tube for snow is portable and foldable. You can take it to any place you want. Number 4. Snow Tube Sled for Kids Adults. Rating 4.8. Made of 3 layers thick and cold-resistant PVC material, the bottom of the heavy-duty snow tube is up to 0.8 mm thick. That is extremely cold-resistant, leak and tear-proof. The snow tubes for sledding of streamlined design enhances speed and control, while the thick sole provides extra cushioning for a smooth ride. The dual-reinforced handle design provides a secure grip for added safety and ease of maneuvering when flying downhill. It also makes the snow tubes for sledding kids avoid the problem of being easily torn by strong pulling force. The handle has also been designed to be heightened, and the space is large enough to be easily grasped even with thick gloves. The well-designed 3-in-1 inflation valve ensures proper inflation of the sledding tubes, while a double locking valve ensures an airtight seal to prevent air loss. Large valves for quick inflation and deflation. The small valve can supplemental air. Number 3. Kuekel 36 3-pack Snow Tubes. Rating 4.8. A set of 3 inflatable snow sled tubes, 36, with nice snowflake prints and healthy paints, is ideal for kids and adults. The Ultra Comfort seat allows your family, friends, and kids to have a better snow tubing experience. Enjoy to the fullest the fun of skiing. The 3-pack snow tubes are designed with a 3-in-1 layer air locking valve, which has good air tightness and does not lose air, and it provides you with faster inflation and deflation. Just use an air pump or hairdrawer cold to inflate, and it can be easily inflated in 1 minute and deflated in a few seconds. After deflating, it can be folded into the size of a book for easy storage and carrying, making it perfect for a winter trip. The double-layer design and excellent seaming technique make it more durable, scratch-resistant, wear-proof, and waterproof. The smooth bottom is great for fast sledding on snow. Number 2. Rackshirt Heavy Duty Snow Tube. Rating 4.9. Heavy Duty Snow Tube is made of tear-resistant and cold-resistant PVC material on the inside, and scratch abrasion-resistant canvas wrapped around the outer layer. Withstand a maximum of -25°. Inflated outer ring of approximately 42 inches in diameter can hold up to 500 pounds. The heavy-duty snow tube provides 2 sturdy and suppleness grips for safety and stability, and there is enough space on the handle to hold it tightly with gloves on. The wide and deep seat, 21 inches x 7 inches, keeps you balanced and comfortable while skiing. Double seam workmanship prevents cracking to increase the service life of the snow tube. Number 1. Kuekel Snow Tube. Rating 5.0. The snow tube is made from 0.4 mm and 0.6 mm PVC thick bottoms, printed with environmentally friendly pigments. The double-layer design makes the bottom of the snow tube more wear-resistant, cold-resistant, and durable. The bottom is not only smooth, which makes you slide faster, but also anti-scratch and anti-leakage. The snow sled is designed with a 3-in-1 layer air locking valve, which has good air tightness and does not lose air. The air valve can be used in conjunction with a manual or electric air pump or a hairdrawer to inflate. It can be easily inflated in 1 minute and deflated in a few seconds. After deflating, it can be folded into the size of a book for easy storage and carrying, making it perfect for a winter trip. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.